Snapshots are absolutely awesome and super crucial to getting the most out of your HighLevel account. And today I'm going to show you how you can import snapshots into your HighLevel account and everything you need to know about utilizing these to get the most out of your HighLevel. Let's dive in. Now, before I show you exactly how you can import a snapshot, you need to understand how the snapshots work. For example, if you were to make your own snapshot, you would go to the agency view, which you can know you're at whenever it says click here to switch in the top left. Then you can go to account snapshots. And then on the My Snapshot screen, you can see all of the snapshots you've already imported or created. And then you have 4 different screens: My Snapshots, Imported Snapshots, Shared, and Snapshot Templates. My Snapshots are any snapshots you've created, and I'll talk you through that in a second. Imported Snapshots are ones you've already imported into your account. Shared are ones that you've created and created URLs to share with other people and the types of URLs that you've used. And then Snapshot Templates is HighLevel's snapshot template library with tons of different snapshots across lots of different industries and use cases for you to use inside of your agency. Now, we'll touch on this last, but first I want to show you how you can actually import a snapshot. Now, when you get a snapshot from anyone on the internet, let's say a business, creators like me, or affiliates, then you'll see something that looks like this: a snapshot that says affiliates.gohighlevel.com/ and then a bunch of numbers and characters. Now, to import this snapshot from this URL, all you have to do is copy it and paste it into your browser where you're logged in to the HighLevel account that you want to import it into. For most of you, you only have one HighLevel account, so just make sure you're in the same browser, paste it into your URL, and then this will import. If you have multiple HighLevel accounts, then just make sure you're logged into the right one whenever you do this import. So whenever we paste this in and click enter, this will then load up HighLevel and then ask us, do you want to import the XYZ snapshot into this account? You can then call it a specific name if you want to, like title it something else, and then you can click yes, import now. Now, once your snapshot begins to import, you'll see it on the imported snapshot screen. Now, keep in mind, just because we imported it into this account doesn't mean it's on one of our HighLevel sub accounts yet. There's one more step we have to do in order to do that. Now, we can see right here, our snapshot has loaded. And if we want to create a brand new sub account and load in this snapshot immediately, all we have to do is click the plus button on the right-hand side and click create new sub account. This will then go through the entire sub account creation flow and automatically load in that snapshot. But if you want to load in this snapshot to a sub account that already exists, all you have to do is go to the sub accounts page on your agency view again, find the sub account, for example, 1234 Main Street. We'll do it on this one. We'll then go all the way to the right and click the 3 dots and click manage client. Once we do that, we'll get to this screen and we just click actions in the top right, load snapshot. Then we choose our snapshot and you can see right here, it will be labeled as imported. So we can select imported, click proceed. And then on this screen, we'll be able to select all of the different assets that we want to push to the sub account. Now, an asset in HighLevel is just a part of the sub account that we're going to be using. Things like websites, funnels, automations, email marketing campaigns, anything like that, we can import here, and they're all grouped inside of this table. By default, everything will be selected. And if you don't want to think about it, you can just click proceed. But if you want to see what's actually being imported, then you can see like here, for an example, we have 2 workflows. You can click the tab and then we can see the 2 workflows that we're importing. And then we can just go ahead and either select them or click skip if we don't want to use one of the assets of the snapshot. We can then click proceed. We'll then have to check for conflict. And if there are no conflicts, then we can just click proceed, confirm, and then we can click proceed on this account. Now, this is then going to load that snapshot onto the actual sub account. So remember, there's 2 steps: importing it and then loading it onto the sub account. And you can do the same thing with snapshots you've created yourself. So again, under the snapshots and then my snapshot screen, you can go to any of your snapshots and create new accounts, or load them into a sub account by doing exactly what we just did just now. And if you ever want to create and share a snapshot with someone else so that way they can do the same thing, then all you have to do is click the 3 dots on your snapshot, click share snapshot, and then get the link here. Now, if you want a couple of snapshots to get you started with HighLevel, I went ahead and dropped 2 really good snapshots in the description of this video. They're super simple. One of them is over my review management system. It's a basic survey plus some automations. And the other is an email marketing snapshot, which is for cold email marketing using HighLevel. Both of these have been super effective inside of my businesses, so feel free to try them out. If you have any questions, just drop it in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.